Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jelau Conrad sangma ka arpulai tri ukula lingkot arajar arpusau ula Paidbah ya ke Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex ha ke Shnong Wahïajer West Gentia Hills District. Ya ke Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex latay Lyngba ke State Plan Scheme and Sports Authority of India Khelo India Infrastructure Scheme. Conrad sangma ke jingkren ula ong ke jingdon jong ke Ïalehkai ke papaka ke nang yarap nang kenteu susu ye ki samla ki badon ye ka sap kapong ha ka bede bat ki kam Ïalehkai sports. Ha ni ka ngile don langru arngut ki sembut menteri Rangba ke jela ki bakintum yo ba preston baru ba senyap halang dahar ubadairu MLA ke than nang ta ki menteri ki tanat sarkar jela bakintup ye ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lyngba ba kermen shela ki MLA bat MDC ke JHEDC nalor Dr. D. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs but kiway.
I also would like to thank our former sports minister now, Paidbah, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Paidbah also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated. Of the inauguration of the Wahïajer Multi-Sports Complex. I remember many years back, I had come here and landed in a helicopter on the old field. At that time I was with Skhim in the chopper. And while we were landing, he pointed to this area. And he told me that it is my dream to see a nice stadium being constructed out here for the people of my constituency and in general for the people of Ïalehkai Hills. And it gives me a great sense of satisfaction today that one vision and that dream that Master had on that day when we landed in the chopper has today converted into a reality. And for this to happen, many people have worked very hard. So at the very outset, I would like to thank Master whose vision, whose hard work and consistent effort has made this day possible. Ladies and gentlemen, he deserves a round of applause for all the hard work that he has done. If this stadium is here today, it is because of his vision and his leadership. The Mega Games in Tura, and as you are all aware, the next edition of the Games will be here in Ïalehkai Hills. It is a great moment of happiness for us, and I'm sure it is a great moment of happiness and excitement for all the citizens here in Ïalehkai Hills today. But remember, this responsibility comes with its challenges. We will need the support of all the people, of all the leaders, the communities, the institutes to make the Games a success. Friends, when we host the Games, different infrastructures will be created. We will be ensuring that the places where the students and where the athletes stay will be in schools, colleges, different communities, and infrastructures will be built for them, which will then be passed on to those institutes so that they can use that for their future purpose. And hence, it's a very exciting moment. We are very happy that the Games will be held next year in January in Ïalehkai Hills, and we will be working from now on itself to ensure that these Games will be one of the biggest that the state has seen, and adequate infrastructure will be created, and hospitality like never before will also be given to our athletes. Recently, our athletes who have won medals in our state games will also be felicitated very soon in Shnong. All the medal winners will be called to Shnong and given a felicitation from the sports minister and from my side. At the same time, you are all aware that all the medal winners in the last Olympics, which was the last Northeast Olympics which was held, were given scholarships from our side. That will also continue, and all the medal winners will get financial assistance from the government so that they are able to continue their passion and invest in the sports that they like. Friends, at the end, I would also like to mention that we are intending to now intensify the activities for our youth. Apart from the different competitions that we have for entrepreneurship and business plan, different competitions we have for sports, different competitions that we have for music, we will be now starting to have competitions at a more detailed and micro level for sports as well as for music again, because we feel that there is a huge talent in music and our youth are not getting opportunity in music scene. And hence competitions will be held for music also. At the same time, we have also realized and we are now firm that not only sports and music, we would want to encourage our youth by having competitions in science. Districts will be asked to have innovation competitions, science competitions, and different competitions to promote and to motivate our youth to take interest in science and innovation. We will have competitions in mathematics so that our children will start to take interest in not just sports and music, but science and mathematics also. We will like our youth to start becoming enterprising from a young age, and hence the different chief ministers' entrepreneurship competition programs will also be brought down more micro at the district level. So my friends, so on and so forth, you will see much more activities now that will take place to engage our youth, to give opportunity to our youth, to ensure that our youth go in the right direction so that you do constructive things. And therefore, these different programs will be organized. I am also happy to inform you that the Honorable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the Northeast and East. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest, and we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency, and no hiring will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace, and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Master Ïalehkai, and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Natyam constituency and of Jayante Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in Ïalehkai Hills. Maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honorable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been playing, this is the finals now. I wish all the players and the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Ang pagpapalpag ya kita isin di Bapau. Ako ay pag-uwi ka Shnong. Ako ay pag-uwi ka constituency. Ako ay pag-uwi ka district. Iyo iya seningtud karoy kapar. Aki kuntaki waker parokoi. Kuntaki wakor. Anak suruh kita nasibunet bagaimana bendalan hak ini kasih. Kaki bok yang kini constituency parokoi patunjuk. Ya kawes jadi is jadi his parokoi. Bagi don kan infrastruktur kanlong kasing koi nanti semat. Ya pun sama kentei basinan. Kami nanti usaha siapang agak sports pakai Ïalehkai kecuali iwe kami hari ini berkelian naik ke siapa.
Decision source the players put into the other tournaments and we have cut class Lyngba and we have Ïalehkai. So this tournament has been there for the last 12 years almost. It's once in the year. And we allow that the people and the players who will be able to play only people from my community. And at the same time, who play in Shnong club, we will allow them. Because we really want to promote the people from this area, from my community. And we come around 70 plus minus teams. And the total player football here is around 1,830 players. So I really congratulate to all of them. So I know it's not possible for you to come to final all the 70 people. Whoever wins today is the winning is ours. So thank you for Chico. Sisi ni Paidbah Wahïajer. Sekarang koi kita yang piman, kita yang district, kita yang district man, kita yang state program ini. Ni kami kita yang sport minister program. Kalau yo ada minister program dulu rakyat, miulah minister tam dulu the sport program is really moving ahead. Koi Chico masuk dia, you can you who is someone who is unity there. How see program the sport program? Come down to you guys go down to true because minister you're doing sport. Construction state you one of the best state in sport in terms of sport facilities in the whole country in the days to come. That means who plays Chicago?
Tentang apa mengiris di blok level, kita pembinaan ini stadium di blok level. Kita pun kita direkam, kita ikut sama di sini kita direkam dengan jelas. Apa ini kita direkam sports. Ini pesan bagi sansen. Kita dikawal pemoni ibu. Ini pesan menjadi kurang lebih baru kita dijamin juli. Apa yang kita akan semua juli yang boleh dan juli bersama. Mereka antara jemaah juli di Paidbah, mereka antara jemaah juli di Kursaman juli di Jelas.